What is happening, my Paris? What is happening? We're working on a little intro for Jamaican dividends. I don't know how much I'm going to use one for the main channel because everybody get used to what up. Everybody used to that, so probably I find out if I make a new intro. But I'm going to make a nice little intro for Jamaican dividends. But for now, what is happening, my Paris? What is happening, y'all? It's Sunday once more. And guess what? Today is me alone. Camera girl is here, but she has lots and lots of homework, and she had to put up the videos and she, you don't know the works at YouTube something. So I'm me alone. I eat dinner with her today, but I'm still elated. So let me say a little grace now before me show you what I have. Holy Spirit, I want to thank you for another moment in your presence. I want to thank you for life. Thank you for strength. Thank you for my YouTube family. And also, Lord, I want to thank you for what you have provided for me today. And I hope whatever you have provided for them also, they will eat it. And it will go through their system as well as mine and nourish our bodies. Thank you, Lord. So now today, it's me alone. And this is what I'm having. And I hope you will see it. My Scotch bonnet pepper fall down. I'm having some rice and peas. I'm having some pork chops. Yes, that's one slice of pork chops. I have lettuce, tomato and cucumber raw veg. This is what I'm having. And I'm having some water. I wet my palate. Sometimes when you're kind of little, you know, you wet your palate first. But I don't like eat and drink. I always wet my palate with a little water first. Sometimes. But most of the time I eat, and when I don't eat, I drink. But mind you, if I drink sometimes, and I drink nice, I have to teeth and taste a little sip in between the eating. But you know, we don't know when I'm perfect, but most of the times I try to eat, and when I'm through eating, then I have my juice or water or what I do. But what is happening, y'all? What is happening? How was the past week? Everything okay? Have you been a good boy? Were you a good girl? How was work? I was home, and y'all that goes to school, I was school. I got open and play with the school thing, yeah. College, some of you working and I still try to get that degree. They are open and play, you know. Some are on the last semester now for graduation for summer. Put everything into it. Please to find the strength and the energy and put in everything now. This is the last semester. I will know it go. Money spend, you can't play with it. And CXC is coming up. I think it's the latter part of this month. So June, most of May, and maybe early June. And you hope they will have a CXC. But you should have buckled down already, because this is the last. But whatever left, what you can do it. Because you don't know you want them CXC, they're not true. So you know, so every time Debbie Deb's education, she say, So, I eat with my Scotch bonnet pepper, I love my pepper, and you all know that. So now, I make pork chop. My husband said, Debbie, I want some pork for my dinner. So, maybe I'm not sure, today is Sunday, I know it's Sunday dinner. Pepper hot. Pepper didn't hot, but I don't mind it. When you come from country, I love pepper. I don't know why. When you grow up in the rural parts, you love the pepper. I like a little eat to my food, you know. I don't know why, because I must show me I don't know, because I normally eat normally, but sometimes I go down with the wrong little part. Not true. So look here. Today is Sunday, you might not see this until Monday, tomorrow. But now big up place. Let's sorry her. You know, so she dep on the channel here. She's on this channel and she also has a channel where she does motivational quotes and stuff. And you all know that. So who have not yet checked her out, go check her out. But now big her up because she sent me dinner already. I eat some, I'm gonna leave some because I have to come check in with you all and eat some of mine. But let's send my dinner. And for all of you who are just when you over here and you don't understand what I'm saying, a lot of my subscribers from both over here and on the main channel, when they cook, they send me pictures via WhatsApp. And if you are interested, you can do the same. Yeah? And I got dinner from somebody else, but I don't want to say her name because I don't know what name she goes by on social media. I know her by her right name, so I don't want to say her right name. Maybe she don't want me to, you know. But I don't know what name she goes by. I must find out from her, and then if I can get well food, I tell them I get there. I get fried chicken with curry gravy, bungo rice and peas. Are you all listening? And then know them that on the channel, you know. So who don't know how to do that one there, who have never tried it, go check them out. They're all on the main channel. I get bungo rice and peas, and I got it with me. I tell you the combination. I mean, I call it who name I get it from. I get bungo rice and peas, fried chicken with curry gravy. Yeah? I got hot roast chicken and Spanish rice, mac and cheese, salad, and I thought I got, I don't remember. I'm gonna get carrot juice and rat bun, carrot rat bun. All those are on the channel. All of those are on the channel. And can I say something? I feel good. I feel so good. I feel so blessed. I feel so humbled. I met with somebody that said, "What you mean to get food? You can't eat food?" I thought I'd seen somebody commented the pepper, I taste of water, saying I eat food through in something stupid, but it don't really matter. As Amaru Cook says, you eat with your eyes. You know, when I was a small child and growing up in the country, I must have thrown my grocery almost every Sunday. My neighbor would send the dinner for my mother, and she always said, "My mother, I want to taste your one. Because when I cook, I can't enjoy mine." And this is what has happened to me now. When I cook, I've been cooking for so long, you all know that. And when I cook, if that happens to you, like when you cook, you find it hard to enjoy your food. Try you cook it in and you do it over a period of time. You eat, you know. But it's like you know, just love to taste somebody else cooking, you know. Mother, let me say, I want to taste your hand. Let me taste your hand now, you know. So, anybody who want to cook and send little food to me, make me look on it and eat with my eyes, you're very, very, very welcome to do so. That's how I do it. Because you see me share everything when I cook with you. And some people don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. I don't mind it. I like it. You know? Because we gotta share. And even though we are not near we can get it to eat, we can use that as a little bond. I use it as a little bond. It's a bond for me and all you will share with me. Thank you so much for that. I say, the time after Jamaica, you see, the time is really hot. And can I tell you something? This rice and peas tastes nice. It tastes literally tastes of coconut milk. It is so rich. And my husband cook it in and him not cook. Now I don't know one story about him one day. If we have one husband like that, I know that, but not today. Him not cook. But him decide to do the rice and peas similar to and it's nice. It's really nice. So now move on that piece of pork chop there, you know. I will never finish about the week. So I say I hope you all had a blessed week. Hope you had a fulfilled week. For me, it was a blessed week. Once you pass through it and you're never sick, everything maybe didn't go or didn't go the way you wanted it to go, but there is still life. Today is the start of a new week, not really the work week, but the start of the week in general, and for some people who work on a Sunday. So this is a new week. You still have the opportunity once more, man, to do it again. Because if at first you don't succeed, remember that little memory gem there from we used to go to school. Try again. Don't give up on your goals. Don't give up on your aspirations. Don't give up on your dreams. And guess what? Sometimes we have pursue some things, and when you reach near, you think, yes, this is it. It's not it. But can I tell you this? When the door don't open, it's not your door. I've proven that. Sometimes we go near to the door, you know. I will say, yes, we have the hopes all up. I will say, yes, it will happen. And when you look, the door still remain closed and it never open. I've come to the realization to know it wasn't your door. Because when the time comes, when your door is supposed to be open, and once you have that faith and trust in the Spirit of God living, in the Spirit of the true and living God, nobody can stop the door from open. So once you see it not open, and never your door. So just keep your hopes up, man. Go back again, man. Try again, man. Nobody don't pardon. Nobody let your guard down panic. Go back again. Try again. You know, that's how it goes. Good things never come easy. You know that. Oh. Like what me alone not eating now. I'm just checking in. Whatever you have, whatever the Lord has provided for you, you will eat it. And as I said, did I say that? That the video for these pork chops is being uploaded as we speak. So you might see that video before you see this one. Oh, I mean, no, somebody not into pork, but I'm not going to eat pork, you know? So, then eat messy. That was something. I eat from my papa phone one day when I have one. You can't eat that. You can't do that, man. But you know, don't know them Jamaican. We want to suck off a bone and lick with finger. But when prim and proper time come, prim and proper. Well, yes, we are uploading this video as we speak. As I speak to you, it's been uploaded. The pork chops. So you can check it out to see if you like how I do mine. And as I said, some of us are not into pork eating. I know that. But some of us still do. And those who are not into pork eating, I just say to you, please respect those that eat pork. And those of you who eat it and others do not eat it, also please respect that they don't eat it. And let us, if we do things like that, everything will be okay. You don't eat it, but I'm supposed to respect you just the same. I don't eat it, but you are supposed to respect me. You know, we're not supposed to have no controversy over it because we don't eat it or whatever. Just know that that's it. That's the way of the world. Some do, some don't. So, this is the pork chop. So, as I say, I'm alone. I check in a little. I make sure I'm alright. I know not funny. With nobody, I doubt it. Tomorrow is the start of another week. Weeks are rolling on. Real fast. Real quick. And all of that. So, keep your guard up. Try to be good in whatever you do. But you know what happens? Sometimes, when we look and see how people operate, how people carry on with me when I'm being good, I tell myself, say, no, so I'm not bad again. But guess what? Talk. I have to bother. You know what? That's why I've got to do it. No matter how much say, nah, you know. So this be who you are. Do what you gotta do. Cause guess what? Who you do the good to, you're not the ones that are gonna return good to you. Just do good. If you know you're not going, you can't do good, just don't do anything. Just leave it be. If you know you can't do good or you can't say good, just let it be. You don't have to do nothing. Nothing wrong saying, but just not do nothing. Just leave it. Just be who you are. Do the good, and then the good will return. You know, because whatever you send out, it will automatically comes back around to you. Or come back around to you. So never leave you know, because I want to eat that piece of bone here. That pork chops here, I want to suck it out. I'm gonna leave you now. And tomorrow is the start officially of the work week. So I say to you, from my Jamaican dining room to wherever you are. Your American dining room or your dining table, to your Canadian, to your Albanese, your Japanese, wherever you're watching me from. Some of you are sending me shout outs from places like what's that place name again? So far, Australia, all of those places. To your Australian dining, wherever you are, from this little Jamaican Debbie Deb's humble little Jamaican dining table this Sunday evening, to wherever you are tuning into this video. Be blessed. I love you so much. Let us continue to give thanks to God. Be good. Be who you are. Don't let your guard down, and remember, never let the evil around you take control of you. Stay on top of things. Love you. Love you.